Here we have Hachiko model HA2 and HA1. Imagine if all the gasoline stations are closed down because of the pandemic, and you have a car and a motorcycle, but since they don't have any more gas, it doesn't work. Another alternative is to use bikes, folding bikes. We have these are folding bikes. And what we're going to do with HA2 is upgrading it for the outdoor, like a pouch, a water bottle, and a back carrier. In order to we're going to place it furthermore in the video, but we're going to explain where or how we're going to put them. The pouch will be placed here. You can place like your medicine, cell phone, keys for your house,
charger,
like that. You place it in the front of your steering handle. Water bottle, the water bottle is here. There's already a in place water bottle handler.
Holder.
So you know how to place stuff. It can contain water in there, enough for you for the whole day. You
and
place it
also,
here, there, yeah.
and also
A back carrier. You adjust this, in order to place that, you adjust the seat. You take out the 2 screws there with the multi-tool.
the Allen screws.
Allen screws.
Allen screws, I mean.
And its use is a lot, like luggage, boxes, like stuff you need to bring. Like that.
like
Backpacks like bag out bag.
Yeah.
TNT to bomb places and kill the zombies. You can
Okay.
just place it in a box.
Okay.
Like dynamite, like shotguns, and pistols, and ammo, and grenades.
Nevin, listen. Can you fit a shotgun at the back of your bike?
Place this here. Shotgun.
Imagine a shotgun right now.
Place
Can
the
you fit?
shotgun on your back.
Can you fit it in the back?
Place
Idiot!
the shotgun here.
It's still too big.
Why are we talking guns? We don't have guns.
Nevin is an idiot, and he's so very dramatic about everything.
What about you?
I'm only explaining that there's a pandemic and that gasoline stations are closed.
So after we got done, where we going to go,
Kill the
Nevin?
people who are infected.
No! They can still be cured, you idiot.
Burn their houses.
Oh my God.
Burn their houses here in school.
Why are you helping him?
Okay.
Anyways, we're
Okay.
going to put everything
We're going
on
to
and
assemble.
we'll show you the final results.
Yeah, burn the
I'm doing
houses.
it now.
Okay.
Is it time?
Ow!
Counterclockwise. After screwing the back carrier here and tightening it, we will adjust the seat and put these in place.
Is it straight?
Is it straight? Then we put the multi-tool inside the pouch for future purposes. And then we're going to test drive it.
2 laps. There's like a bunch of leaves on your foot because
What?
there's a bunch of leaves on your foot. So now, this is the finished product of HA2's upgrade. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye.